Hi everyone, my name is Manan and I am a marketing manager at Apple Incorporation, an American technology giant. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you newly launched Marvel from Apple. Yes, the iPhone 14 Pro Max. This device contains cutting-edge technology with a surgical graded stainless steel body and setting the new standards in a mobile innovation. The iPhone 14 Pro Max is specifically designed for millennials and corporate professionals who value innovation and are always seeking for new gadgets for their better lifestyle. With over thousands of retail shops and Apple stores, our products are easily accessible in various markets. Our customers are influenced by our social media reviews and tech blogs and prefer to purchase online for better deals. Let's dive into what makes Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max an extraordinary. The first thing is this device has 6.7 inches screen powered by the A16 Bionic chip, ensuring lightning fast performance. The camera system is also revolutionary, featuring 48 megapixel quad pixel main camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, and a 12 megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. In the front, there is a 12 megapixel true depth selfie camera now includes autofocus, making every shot picture perfect. Take your videography to the next level with 4K quality. The cinematic mode allows you to capture movie-like videos with automatic focus shifts, while ProRes videos recording provides unmatched detail and color fidelity for professional graded videos. With slow-mo and time-lapse modes, you can capture every detail of your memorable moments and don't let low light stop you. The night mode. Yes, the night mode ensures your videos are bright, clear and full of details no matter the time of day. The iPhone 14 Pro Max is built to last with a ceramic shield that offers full protection from drops. One standout feature is the dynamic island, which not only gives the phone a modern look but also adapts its shape for seamless face recognition. While the iPhone 14 Pro Max is priced at a premium, we ensure it provides exceptional value to make it easier on your pockets. We offer the best deals on e-commerce platforms along with the attractive discounts and vouchers for our early bird customers. Don't miss out on experiencing the future of smartphones with the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Visit our website or your nearest Apple store to get your today. Like, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest in technology. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.